I have not even brushed my teeth this morning. I just crawled out of bed. Oh, shoot. That's right. I was supposed to do this. Shoot. Switch to our new compact mode. Oh. Compact mode. Okay. Interesting. Okay. That didn't work. Hi, honey. Don't worry, I'm not live. I mean, except I am. Yeah. Yeah, are you dressed? Good. What's up? Hi, everybody. Yeah, I am. There's only 16 people, though. It's okay. I just want to do a quick one. What's up? Oh. Well, we've got a ticket for him, so if he wants to come, he gets to come. Hey, C. Gray, how's it going, man? You're gonna be my guru, right? I got several gurus. You're gonna be my motion eye. European friendly stream time. That's right. That's what we're doing this morning. It's got to be. Let me show you what we're doing. Me and the fam here at. It's gonna be like an hour stream because we got family plans today, and it's gonna be so cool. Let me show you what we're doing. You guys have never seen one of these before. This thing is awesome. We are going up to the Ice Castle in Midway, Utah. So this is about 45 minutes to an hour drive from us. We got tickets already. You go by appointments, and normally they're only open at night, but today, because it's a holiday around here, we're going in the daytime. So I don't know. I guess that's all they give us. There's no more. Well, maybe there's some images here you can see, but it's super cool. Elsa's going to be there. I'm going to talk to her about that time I used her song and YouTube got mad at me. Fire jugglers, I don't think they'll be there, though. But look at this, man. This is so cool. And they build this big, huge thing. I don't think you can really appreciate how big it is from here. I guess that's a decent picture of it. I mean, you can fit hundreds of people inside there. And it's different every year, obviously, right? Because it melts and they redo it every year. So it's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. What did Frank say? Couldn't you have waited 5 more minutes? Oh. You don't have your phone with you in there, Frank? Come on. Boom, day 4 of streaming. It's like Christmas all over again. That's right. It's just too much fun. It's just too much fun. And anyways, I just love hanging out. You guys are fun to join me all the time. So what's up? From Miami, tea time. Hey, from Germany. Yeah, this is the European. We finally got you on some European, a better European time this week. These 4 streams, but none of them have been good for European time. It's all been middle of the night for you poor fellas. So, yeah, finally decided to do the thing. So, the Europe time. So anyways, this is pretty cool. This is where we're going to go. We're going to go up there at 1 o'clock. And so we got to leave here at about noon. So that's about an hour and 20 minutes. And I should probably at least brush my teeth before we go. So I got about an hour. Got about an hour to hang out. Yeah, you guys have been here. You guys have been here anyways in the middle of the night. Some of you, see Gray. So I wanted to show you some things. Ice Castle looks fun. Never actually been. It is really cool. You know, I wonder. Look, they have. I don't know if they have any in other places that are not the U.S. I don't think so. Edmonton. Oh, there you go. Dillon, Colorado. Like Geneva. Where's that? Seems like that should not be in the U.S., right? Where is it? Comfort Inns. Yeah, that's got to be in the U.S. Where is that? Milwaukee. Okay, Wisconsin. Yeah. All right. Anyway, so yeah, Ice Castle. It's going to be pretty awesome. I'll take some pictures, take some video. It'll be pretty cool. At last, live from Greece. How's it going, Stelio? Janik, how's it going? Paul, brush your teeth. So overrated. Yeah, you know, once a month or something like that. It's no big deal. I'm not a dentist after all. It is becoming a habit, Andy. It is. Yeah, I don't think it's the one in Italy. I was hoping it would be, but apparently it's not. Well, it didn't say what state, you know. The rest of them all said the state. And they said New Hampshire. I know Midway is Utah. This one's in Montana, or what is this? MN is Minnesota. So anyways, I was hoping that there would be one in Europe maybe for you guys to go see. But there's probably somebody doing something like this up there. There should be. Hey, C. Tendra, you're back. How's it going, Alejandro? All right. Yeah, Ice Castle. This is where we're going with the family here in an hour-ish or so. Hour and a half or so. So let's talk about some more cool stuff. It's almost like a continuation of last night because let me tell you, and I haven't tried this. This is how it goes, right? This is how my stream is. Okay. Lately, anyways, when I do it like this, it's different when I've got the planned guests. Like this coming Sunday, so 1 week from yesterday, we will have BK Hobby. I'm pretty sure it's BK Hobby's day, and we're gonna do the Open Hab Home Assistant comparison. So that'll be pretty cool. So that'll be a bit more focused of a stream. Yeah, right. I'll add Ice Castles to your to-do list next year. Do it, man. It's cool. It's cool. Last year it didn't get cold enough. We didn't have enough good stuff here, good snow and stuff to be able to do Ice Castle here in Utah. They just couldn't even get it going. But this year it's been plenty cold and plenty of snow and ice, and so we're excited. Hey, from Texas. Whoa, DrZzs in the AM. I know I don't have to work today, so here we are. One stream in the morning, one in the night. It's probably the same day for some of you guys, huh? Maybe the UK or the Down Unders. From Lisbon, how's it going? All right, so what I was going to do is I was going to show you that, let's see, I tried Open Hab for a hot minute when I first started. It was nice, but Home Assistant definitely passes them. I've been impressed with BK, with his resilience in sticking with Open Hab, because he's in our community, you know, but he still is an Open Habber. So good for him. It'll be good to have his perspective on things. All right. So what I wanted to show you, and he's probably going to kill me for this, but that's okay. He's nice. He'll be okay. He'll be all right. Whiskers is a bit of an unsung hero, I think. I know I say he, some of the stuff he does, I tell you, but he's never on when we're talking about him and when he's in a big part of the help. So he did something to make you, if you thought that what Mark did last night was pretty easy with Proxmox and Hass OS, Whiskers simplified it down to a script. So let's walk through this. He sent it to me. I think I got it this morning. So I've had this thing in my mailbox like a couple hours. So, but I know Mark already tried it and it worked. So let's just check this out. So to create a new Hassio VM in Proxmox with the latest version, run the following in an SSH session or the console from Proxmox interface. Okay. Just run that, huh? And then what happens? After the script completes, click on the new VM. The script will tell you the ID. Click on Hardware tab for VM and change the memory and processor settings to what you desire. And the hard disk can be expanded by clicking on it, and click on the resize button above. Network MAC address can be changed, selecting network device, and click edit above. Once all changes have been made, click start. To get to the DHCP address assigned to the VM, open the console after the VM is started. When the message slowed down, press enter a couple of times and you'll see the following. So look at this. He even did, my gosh, this guy's amazing. Whiskers, you are a stud, man. Using root, no password is requested. Then has prompt, type login. You should see prompt, then this. Look at the name, it looks like this. The name following by an IP address. Your IP address will be listed after that. Holy cow. Yeah, man. I'm going to tell him right now, you're on the live stream. Hey, Ken, thanks for subscribing, man. We're doing your script on the live stream right this second. That's awesome. Oh gosh. Driving home. All right. Well, eyes on the road, Jeff. Eyes on the road. Oh, did you finally get home? You've been in the airport for like 3 days? That's horrible. Hey, Glenn, you made it. You made it. Thanks for straightening me out too on what was it that I messed up? I can't remember now. I didn't know you were live. Whiskers didn't know I was live. Well, I am, so come join us, brother. Come on, come on. Would love to see a video on the home panel component. Looks way easier than app daemon. Yeah, it probably is. Yeah, we could do some more on that. Maybe we'll do that on another live stream. If I get another chance to live stream this week before Sunday, we'll do something like that. Hotel in Sweden made of ice. Oh, that sounds cool. Back to the desk. Start talking. Okay. Hey, I got your stickers today, Frank. Thanks a ton, man. Thanks a ton. I'm going to have to pass a bunch of those around. Yeah, where did you get those done? I need. So my stickers that I've been sending out are just vinyls that I printed off. But, so I print them, I've got a Cricut machine is what it's called, and it just cuts out the vinyl and then you make stickers out of it. But yours are like real nice, 2 colors and stuff. I need to make some stickers like that. Okay. About to install this on PC with Nook motherboard. Sweet. Checking eventually. Okay, good. All right. So anyways, let's run this script, guys. Okay. So here we got Proxmox, right? And he said, go here. We need to go to a console. Is that shell? That looks like that. That should work, right? Create Hassio VM to the console running in an SSH session or the console from Proxmox interface. Let's make sure that's the right thing. I thought there was another way to do console. That should do it, right? I don't see why not. Okay, let's run it and see. What's the worst thing that could happen? All right, so we're just going to copy all that, paste that sucker in here, see what happens. Oh, it's working. Holy cow. It's working. Oh, you're with us now. Awesome. Where are you at, Whiskers? Someone said stickers? Yeah, we were talking about stickers. Frank sent me some stickers, and they are awesome. Here, I'll show you while this is downloading. Look at this. Oh, my gosh, Frank. You spoil me, brother. You spoil me. This is cool. Just some emojis. This is cool. These are like the official Home Assistant stickers. Official Home Assistant stickers. Mine are bootleg. And then these are his little logo, Frank's logo for the community add-ons page. Hey, thanks for subscribing, Mike. Appreciate it, man. So these are Frank, and he's sent me a bunch of these, so I'm gonna have to pass these around. I can stick them everywhere, and I should, and I will. But oh, and then this is cool. Is that like that? Looks like the little GitHub monster or something, but not GitHub. What is that? Is that what's this one? This is an octopus. Oh, look, it's done. Wow, completed successfully. New VM ID is 105. Oh, there it is. Oh my goodness. That was that fast. Wow. Okay. After the script, click on the VM, click hardware to change the memory and processor settings, and hard disk expand by clicking on it. Okay. Okay. So we can do this. We can give it 20, is it 2048? I think so, right? And then processors, we can do two processors, 1 socket, 2 cores. Okay. Hard disk. Yeah, it's at 6. No. Wait a minute. Network devices. Let's see what he says. Let's read it. Okay, the hard disk can be expanded by clicking on it. The resize button. Okay. I don't see the resize button. Oh, resize disk. Aha. Gigabytes. 32. Oh, it added it. So we're going to go -6. Can we do that? No. Crap. So it's 38 gigabytes. Yeah, whatever. Guess it doesn't really matter. Official GitHub stickers. Got a ton of them. Oh, those are cool. That's right. That's the GitHub guy. So those are super cool. Thank you, Frank. Oh, and then there was something else too. Hold on. This is cool. I like this one a lot too. There is no cloud. It's just someone else's computer. That's important. That is important. That is important. So thanks, Frank, man. That's awesome. All right. So what's happening on the stream, Andy? We just ran the fastest, absolute easiest install of Hassio on Proxmox. I mean, it's a 1-line copy and paste. It is amazing. Okay, so then what else do we need to do? Then you can change the MAC address if you want to. Click edit. Once it's changed and made, click start. Okay. We don't need to change the MAC address. We'll leave it. So I think everything else is okay. And so now we're just going to hit start. And then we should be able to hit the console and watch this sucker do its magic. I can't believe this. Whiskers, you are a stud, dude. You are a stud. Look how easy this is. Oh my gosh. That's it. Everybody's running Proxmox. I'm going to have to do a Proxmox video now. With this, absolutely. Absolutely. We got to have to do a full-on Proxmox video. Although, well, yeah, I'll do it because I got to do the install of Proxmox, right? We got to explain that. Be sure to hold on to those official Home Assistant stickers. They're almost impossible to get. Okay, this is for sure. These I'm going to keep in a very special place. I'm not even going to peel the back off. I'm just going to like tape it on something so I can keep the back because that's official. What's the master up to today? I don't know. Frank, what are you up to today? Oh, we just did. Hey, Tech Nerd, we just did. I'll do it again in a minute if you want because I can just keep doing it and deleting it. It's no big deal. Proxmox over VirtualBox. Yes, Brian. That is what we're finding out. Proxmox is amazing. What Proxmox system did I install? Is that what you mean, Chris? I installed this Proxmox on my Nook, on the Nook. So it's just a I just put Proxmox on a USB stick, put it in, fired it up. You have to plug in a keyboard and monitor to it to get it started. You don't do it headless, or maybe you could do it headless, but anyways. And then once that's done, you have Proxmox installed, and then you can access it. It sets up a web server. You could just access it through another computer, and you're headless at that point. And then you just start installing virtual machines. And with one line, we just installed Home Assistant. Opening a PR on the Home Assistant project, adding my first full-blown component. Ooh, what is it, Frank? What is it? What's your full-blown component? Just edit this video a little. Yeah, that I should. Proxmox tutorial. You got it, Alejandro. You got it. I'll start working on it right away, actually. Proxmox VE virtual environment, not the mail server one. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Idaho Joe. I didn't even know there was a mail server version of Proxmox, or Proxmox, something that's called that. Okay. Okay, so there we go. Hassio login. All right, let's go back to Whiskers. Instrucciones. All right. Sometimes you can make Spanish words just by making them sound Spanish. Hey, from Romania, how's it going? What's so special about it? It is super lean. If you want to do a video installing Proxmox, I can help you do it on your currently running Proxmox. That's right. Proxmox Inception. Oh my gosh. Okay. We'll do that. That'll be good because the problem I had, the reason I wasn't able to capture my install when I first did it was because I didn't have any way to capture the video when I had it plugged into a monitor and a keyboard. So we need to do it in a way that makes it so I can capture that video. So, okay, Whiskers, we're on it. We're going to film it this week, buddy. We're going to film it this week. Installed VirtualBox yesterday. Well, it's time to uninstall, Brian. No, I think so. The reason for Proxmox is the bare metal install. What?
Hey, DrZzs. I'm a Brazilian channel on home automation. So much inspiration came from you. I'm so glad to have met your channel. You do amazing work.
Aw, thanks. Thanks, me, Smart Casa. So you have a channel? Let's go to your channel. Let's do that. Mi Casa Smart Casa. Is that what is that the name of the channel? That's awesome. And you're from Brazil? Thanks, man. Mi Casa Smart Casa. I'm getting totally squirreled here. Oh yeah, there he is. Awesome. Check it out. So you do your stuff in Portuguese probably, huh? Nice. And he's bald. Oh yeah. I love it. Okay. Blow him up. Here we go. I'm going to have to learn Portuguese just so I can do this. Here, we're going to share this with everybody. Here we go. We're going to get you 100 more subscribers right here. That's awesome, man. Good work. I love it. We need more multi-language tutorials for this stuff, you know. Everybody keeps telling me I need to do it in Spanish. I could probably fumble through it, but anyways. That's awesome, man. Well, thanks for being here. All right. Okay, so back to this. What were we going to do? Oh, yeah. We had to do the HassOS login right here. Okay, and then HassOS login, just root. Right? Okay, and then you're going to get this Hass thing. You type login. Mark was trying to get me to do this last night, but I think this was the part we were missing. When you see that prompt, then you just type this. Oh, come on, man. Control C. Oh, wait. It's not letting me copy and paste very easy. Control C. Control V. Nope. I can't right click it. Darn it. Okay, I have to type it in. ls space -L space sys class net. Sweet. Okay. Look for a name that looks like Ian. Ooh, it's right there. Okay. We use that name in the following command. Okay. IP adder show dev and then whatever that was, right? ENP 0S18. Right? Right. Okay, and then the part right after inet, there's my address, 47. Okay, so now we go here. We go 47, 8123. Yes! Woohoo! Look at that! Oh my gosh! That was fantastic. Oh my gosh. Way to go, Whiskers. Way to go, man. I must say, I might even consider Proxmox. Oh, we're making Frank a convert. I was familiar with it, but never considered it for home use. But to be honest, it's looking pretty good, right? I mean, it's looking pretty good. It's pretty slick. It is pretty slick. Whiskers, you're a stud, dude. Way to go, man. That's fantastic. And then now from there, it's just, you're golden. You got your Hassio install ready to go. Oh man. So if I want to run Hassio, including add-ons, I have to run a virtual machine or Pi. No, Mark, you can install Hassio just on a machine as the operating system, and that's fine. And that's what you do on a Pi. So you can install it on any machine, pretty much, I think, guys, right? I mean, maybe there's some exceptions, but if you had an old computer or if you wanted to put it on the Nook, the reason to do it as a virtual machine is because it doesn't use a ton of resources. So for me, I have the Nook. This Nook I have is pretty strong, pretty powerful, and it's got plenty of capacity to run a lot of other things. So I don't want to run just Home Assistant. I want to run Home Assistant and then have the ability to run other stuff. And having it as a virtual machine lets you do things like this, where you could just really quickly install Hassio, another instance of Hassio, and tinker with it, or run some other version of Linux, or run Windows or something else on the same computer. But Proxmox makes making these virtual machines about as easy as I've seen. So you made it to the Twitch, Lucky Style. Awesome. Thanks, man. And Proxmox also runs Linux containers. That's right. What is this? Is he going to save this? It's always saved. I said it's always saved. It will be as soon as we're done. In fact, you might be able to go back and start watching the beginning now. I don't know for sure how that works. But as soon as we're done, you should be able to go back and start watching it. And you can see what we did at the beginning. Proxmox is bare metal. Yes, it is, James. Can you remote in with GUI or just SSH? Remote in, GUI right here. This is mine. It gives you its port. It gives you a IP. This is the IP address of my Nook. And then there's a port, 8006. And you're in. And then you can do all of it from there. So it's completely headless at this point and super fast, like simple. Simple to set up, and it runs like a champ. Just super lean and super fast. Let's see. So what is C-Tender saying? I just had Ubuntu Nook with Docker the other day. Need to change it again. Sorry, man. Oh, hey, Stinky. That's so funny. Stinks Tef Joe. Stinks Teffel Joe. Thanks for following, man. Appreciate it. So Proxmox can be installed in Windows environment. I guess, Alejandro, but you would need another virtual. It's the other way around, right? So you would install Proxmox as the operating system, and then if you wanted to install Windows as one of the virtual machines, you can do that. I don't think you'd want to, unless you were just playing with it. I don't think you'd want to install Windows, because then you would need. I don't know if it virtualizes itself. I don't think so. You'd have to end up with, if you had Windows as your base, then you would have to have a virtual manager, like a VMware, or VirtualBox, and then you'd have to put Proxmox inside that, which you could do, I suppose, but that's not the point. The point would be put Proxmox on your hardware as the base operating system, and then you can install all these other operating systems and containers. It doesn't just do full virtual machines. You can also do containers. So you could run Linux, just like Docker does, pretty much, right? Proxmox is based on Debian. If people want to try Proxmox, you can install it into VirtualBox. Okay, so Whiskers says, yeah, Whiskers says you can install it, but you'd have to install VirtualBox first, and then you install Proxmox. That's some Inception level stuff, right? That's really some Inception level stuff there. Can Proxmox run on a Mac Mini? Good question. Anybody know? Anybody know? Let's look and see. Proxmox, probably, but I'm on Mac Mini. BE on Mac Mini, part 1. How to install Proxmox 3 PVE Mac Mini. There it goes. So it looks like you can. Add a boot parameter to avoid kernel panic. So there's some instructions here. There you go. Windows on Proxmox is awesome. I have an RPi with a thin client remote desktop to a Windows VM. Works great. Oh, cool, Cameron. That's awesome. Okay, anyone else that can share the link to what Whiskers GitHub, the Proxmox? Oh, yeah, right here. It's right here. It's right here. I'll share it again. That's Whiskers. That's Whiskers script right there. Right there. And yeah, you guys can find Proxmox, right, to install Proxmox, but we'll go here. It's right here. I don't need to paste links. You guys can find this stuff. Oh, this is the forums. We don't want the forums. Anyways, you can find Proxmox and download it and whatever you need. So pretty cool, huh? Unbelievable. So fun. And so like this came up like a week ago. Whiskers brought this up to me a week ago when we were talking about the Nook. First time viewer. Oh, cool. Started watching you and Frank a couple days ago. Awesome stuff. Makes you want to dive deep into Home Assistant so bad. Thanks. You're welcome. Anonymous has subscribed. Thanks, man. Hey, watch out. Watch out, Stinks. It's a fun hobby. Ooh. Thanks, Gad. I wonder why sometimes you get an audible. Sometimes that thing bings and sometimes it doesn't bing. I don't know. Anyways. Cool. Well, there's Proxmox, guys. I mean, that was super simple. You want to do it again? And then this part, so awesome. So he even gives us, so you don't have to do it. You don't have to look at your router. You don't have to do anything. You just run what he says here, and he makes it so simple. And it downloads and installs the latest Hassio. And with those couple other lines right here, you get your IP address. You can just type into your browser, and off you go. Done. What's the best method to install Hassio on a Nook? User error. Oh, have I got a great idea for you. Hey, Emily, thanks for subscribing. So that's what we just did. So if you have a Nook and if you want dogs or cats, it depends on what you want to do, user error. But what we've been talking about is using Proxmox as your OS, your operating system on your Nook. So, just go to Proxmox, gets the installation instructions, and it's pretty straightforward. Put a USB stick, turn it on, it goes. Once you've got Proxmox installed, then you just do what we just did, man. That is the easiest thing to do. From right here, you can just, from this shell, so Proxmox here, once you install, you'll have this screen that you can get to. Proxmox, shell, and then you just follow these instructions. Copy this script right here, paste it right here, and then it'll install. It'll be ready to go. It tells you what to do here. You can add some resources. We just did it on this stream a few minutes ago, so you can go right back to it and check it out. Good morning, Matt. How's it going? What about WireGuard? Can you install it on there? Yes, I'm sure you can. Whiskers, do you hear that, buddy? How about a WireGuard? You probably have a WireGuard. What do you call it over here? One of these containers, right? A WireGuard in a container. I'm sure you could do that. I haven't tried it again, but Whiskers has done. Where's your link for that, buddy? Where's your link for your WireGuard stuff? Oh, and if you guys didn't see, for those Mac lovers out there, WireGuard has now an official Mac app in the Mac software store. So it's a client now that you can run on Mac OS 10. When I tried to do it, my Mac's 4 years old. My laptop is 4 years old, and it said you need like 10.14 or something, and it wasn't there. Like I couldn't get it or whatever. All right, thanks for following, Elmholt. If you, yes, WireGuard can be installed on Proxmox. Of course it can. Of course it can. How about a script for that? What do you say? I don't know. What? How does it say? You give a mouse a cookie or whatever, right? You give us something, and we're just going to keep asking for more. We're just going to keep on asking for more. Well, Whiskers had you have a script to install. So you could do that. How could we do that? I don't know. I'd probably just let you monkey with it and do it the best way you can. Okay. GitHub repo for WireGuard RPi installer script. So here's some more instruction WireGuard stuff from Whiskers. Should have Whiskers on this stream, huh? Give this, here you go. All right, user error. Thanks for following. Okay, so this is script to install WireGuard once you already have. This is once you already have Raspbian, I'm sure. And then this will run through some stuff. It's similar to what we did with Adrian, but even a few less steps. Give your wife $1, she'll take your whole bank. Amen. Amen. What's the reason you do it on a VM on the NUC instead of doing it directly on the NUC? Just curious. Just so I can install other things as well. The NUC I have is, and probably most of them are, I didn't want to use all the resources just for Hassio because it's powerful enough it can do other things. And I at least wanted to have 2 versions of Home Assistant, and I didn't want to have 2 Raspberry Pis or anything like that. So, hey, thanks for subscribing, Bruno. Appreciate it. So that's why I did it. And then just to be able to have the flexibility to play around. If I wanted to just install Docker and start messing around just to see how it works, I could do that here. You could have Hassio installed in every variety of every way you could possibly do it. You could do it on this NUC with Proxmox. So it's just to be able to play around with it and use the resources for other things. Hey, Charlie's here. How's it going? What's the topic? The topic is Proxmox. Proxmox. Official app. Yay, right, Frank? That's awesome. I know because I still have to go to the command line and shut it down and turn it back on and stuff. So is Proxmox running on a USB stick or from a local disk? So things I installed it. I burned the ISO onto a USB drive to install it onto the hard drive of the NUC. So it's running on the hard drive of the NUC. RetroPie on a Proxmox? Absolutely. No reason not to do that. That's a great idea. Yeah, that's a great idea. You could run Raspbian and do anything you want on there. I mean, it's anything, any operating system, it's ready to go and pretty simple. And it's got a decent community. Obviously, the community is going to grow quite a bit here. We've got a lot of people interested, so we'll, I'm sure, be able to share more with each other about what you can do with it. So doing it through Proxmox allows you to use more resources. Thank you, Paul. You got it. Hey, Mark's here. Mark, did you see how fast? Oh, Mark did it. Mark ran Whiskers. I said, hey, Mark, check out Whiskers' script. This was like, an hour ago, Mark? I said, hey, check out this script. And he runs it. And he's like, oh my gosh, that's so awesome. So that was how we decided on the topic for the stream today. Just woke up. Wasn't expecting a stream today. Surprise, John. Surprise. How you doing, man? How's your dancers? What about in the Pi? So would you run Proxmox on a Raspberry Pi? I don't know that Raspberry Pi is going to be a good machine to do virtualizing. Just because there's not a lot of resources to go around. It probably would work because Proxmox is pretty thin. It's just a stripped down Linux that's built just for virtualizing. So probably, but I don't know. I don't think it would be the best, but it might be okay. That's what I would think. Hey Virat from India, how's it going, man? Home Assistant. Oops, I missed some. Home Assistant running with Docker with 3 to 6 other apps, but then converted to Hassio and Frank. Yeah. Somebody was asking me today about about Raspbian. Can't remember now who I was chatting with. Oh, it was Green Arrow. Was it Green Arrow? No. Seamus. Was it Seamus? Yeah, it was Seamus. Yeah, still running Haspian. Will Proxmox give you access to the USB ports for ESP Home? I'm sure it will, but I haven't tried it. Should we try it right now? I could just plug in a so I know there was something and I did it, right? Mark said you have to put the USB in and then like restart it so that there's something in the USB port so that it'll be recognized. You can pass USB and PCI devices to VMs and Proxmox. Yeah, I'm sure you can. You could do it in Virtual Manager. I just didn't do it right the first time. Surprise! Can we? Let's try it. Okay, let's try it. Let's do it. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Like my jammies? You guys didn't think I wore pants, right? Okay, so I've got here an ESP32 dev board. ESP32 dev kit. Just got this not long ago from Woody. Thanks, Woody. Your star. I don't know which one it is. The WROM32. I'm going to need to know that, right? I'm going to take a picture of this because the Nook is in the other room, or it's in the closet. So I'm going to have to put this in the closet and then I won't have access to these numbers if I need them. Okay, so, of course it's a mini, not a micro. Need a cable. Okay, I'm going to plug this in the closet. One sec. Okay, somebody was asking about heat off the Nook, and I just put my hand over there, and there's a little bit of warmth. Definitely puts off a little heat, but that's okay. All right, let me see what I'm missing here. Add the device using the hardware tab in the VM. Okay, so let's go to my real Hassio, and under hardware, and you go to add USB device, Spice port, choose device. And that's probably it right there, isn't it? It's got to be. Oh, so that's a port. So I could pick the port if I wanted. Okay. Cool. Use USB 3. Okay. Either way, right? So there it is. Pick the device. Add. Any reason why it's red? So this means I'm going to have to do a whole Hassio. Maybe I should have used one that I already had. That already had something on, because this means we'd have to write something for it, right? Name of the node. Okay. It's red because the change hasn't been committed. You have to reboot the VM for it to apply. Oh, okay. Thank you. That makes sense. Okay, so Shut that down. Then we'll reboot it. Oh, cool. Here's some more information about getting that stuff running. Yikes. Ignore this. You see, made the web interface now. Oh, okay, cool. So Zarya's been Proxmoxing for a while, huh? Okay. And then we're going to start. We'll just see how fast it starts. Watch it start. All right. I've missed a ton of chat now, but that's okay. I'm not able anymore to flash a D1 Mini. How can you fix it? Uh-oh. What's happening, Andy, when you try and flash it? Like nothing? Okay. You'll probably need to restart. Yep, you guys are good. I saw like, you need to restart, you dummy. Someone could give a quick explanation. Oh, new to this. Is there a chance anybody could give a quick explanation? Log. So what we're doing now is, yeah, this is probably like level 3. Essentially what we're doing right now is a new way to install Hassio as a virtual machine with a base layer hypervisor. Sounds like a fun word. But the basic operating system is Proxmox. It's Linux that's set up just to run virtual machines, and then you install Hassio as a virtual machine. Okay, so that's what we started doing today, and then it's just gonna take a minute to start up. I would have thought it was started any day now. There we go. Might have to restart the add-on too. Okay, well, I guess if I restarted the whole thing. Oh, it looks like it wasn't. Do I not have start on boot? Oh, that's interesting. Maybe it just hasn't started yet because I've been pushing. I've been rushing it. So they all haven't started. Yeah, see, there it was. Now it started. Upload the code and nothing happens. Use the flasher from the Odo guy. ESP Home solves most issues. Oh. You need to use login first to get the actual command line. Okay, you guys are chatting about other stuff. That's awesome. Okay. There it is. There it is. Okay. Uh-oh.
Half an hour until we leave.
Did you guys get that? Half hour till we leave? Okay, so this is 32, so we need to scroll through this list and find, I don't know which one it's going to be. No idea. ESP32s. I hear my kids arguing. I hear my kids arguing with my wife. Sorry. Got distracted. ESP Home YAML's been renamed ESP Home. Oh, new beta is out. She's doing a ton of improvements. Oh, really? So do I need to update? Rename completed. Installation methods changed. Awesome. Oh, it's beta for a reason. Okay. All right. Anyways, we were in the middle of this. So, I mean, we could go through the rest of this. This would be probably beyond what we can get to here. But it recognized it. So that's what's important. So this is so it can connect to my Wi-Fi. Do I need an access password? I don't really want one. I probably didn't pick the right device type. Hold on. We got to go back up here. No. Abort, abort, abort. Unless you're brave. That's now esphome.io as a website. Oh, cool. I'm not brave enough to be messing too much with that stuff. You can brush your teeth right now on the live stream. I could. That would save us a minute, right? You need to run glances on your Nook so you can see what's going on. Uploaded the code. Nothing happened. Sorry, Andy. I don't know, guys. Can we help see what we can do about helping Andy? I hate seeing guys with new folks with problems that might get them stuck. I don't want this. I want, obviously I'm not very good. Why isn't it opening? Yeah. Quinn LED. Oh, is that still plugged in? Shouldn't be. Oh, is it powered up somewhere? Oh, you know what? That's what it is. No, that's not the Quinn LED one. No, it's not. Okay. You guys just watch me fumble around here. There we go. So the problem is I don't know which one it is. It's not this one. I can't scroll through very easily. Generic, that's just, I don't know, just generic ESP32, I guess. Done. Select port. What? I already did that. Nah. Okay. All right. Which layer 1 hypertension are you recommending? I'm using an old version, but looking to change. I don't know. Restream bot is not working. Going to YouTube. No, Restream bot's not working, really? Stinker. Stinking stinker. So anyways, we did what we needed to do as far as that goes. Somebody asked about USB. Yes, USB works. I'm not going to go through trying to set up a new ASP home dealy whopper right this minute. Especially since I only have a few more minutes before I got to go brush my teeth. Cool. So, you guys want to switch gears? No, let's not. I was going to switch gears back to cameras because I have obviously some stuff to learn about cameras. Only problem with Hyper-V is is no Bluetooth password through. Okay, you know what? Let's go back here. That's a good question. I bet you there's probably, is there Bluetooth? How do you do Bluetooth pass through on this? Whiskers, is there a Bluetooth? I guess, I don't know if my Nook, the Nook probably has Bluetooth on it, right? Did I say stickers? Let's do stickers, sure. Did I say stickers? Yeah, let's do stickers. We'll do stickers and then that'll be the time to go. Okay, let's make sure we do this right this time. All right, there you go. Okay. Stickers is active. Type in something in the chat in the next 15 minutes and we'll be stickerfied. No Bluetooth. I don't know. Probably Bluetooth pass through. Let's see if Whiskers pipes in or somebody else who's been using it. But I think, I would be surprised. I would be quite surprised if there was no Bluetooth pass through. That would be crazy, right? That would be crazy. There's too many things open here. Well, I'm going to do more camera work this week as well, because we talked a bunch about cameras. Okay, if it's connected to the PCI bus, then you would have to do a little work to find the ID, but you can pass through any PCI or USB device. So if you had a Bluetooth USB dongle, that would work. Or if it's built in and it's on the PCI bus, then you'd have to find it here. But I don't know if anything's on there or not. Let's see. HD audio, 520 graphics. So yeah, figure out maybe if there was something on here. Samsung, maybe that's it. I don't know. Whoa, my kids are going crazy with the music. That was my boys are going crazy on the music. Stickers, stickerfied. Yeah, stickerfied, the big one. That just means giving away some stickers. HCI, is that the one? Did you see that here somewhere? This one. HECI, number 1. You think that's it? So this is the power of Proxmox, is doesn't seem to be a lot of limits. It'll let you do pretty much anything. It sticks and it's green. No, it's red. That's what you mean. Running Proxmox, Matheson. Yeah, I'm a Proxmox convert. All right, your Wi-Fi module usually has a Bluetooth integrated. You have to pass both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Okay. Well, that might be something we put in the video, Whiskers. How to do those things. So maybe that's something we can do together, and then we'll do it on the video. If you have a DrZzs sticker in your window, you get absolutely free bottle of sticker remover. You're killing me. Can I wipe out Windows from an old laptop and install Proxmox? Amen, Jaime. You sure can. That's exactly what you should do. That is perfect. Skirmit is green and sticks. You guys are talking about stuff I don't know what you're talking about. So that's okay. Anyways, I'm going to remove this. Okay. Good times. I want to switch from VMware to Proxmox. Yes, you do, Matheson. Yes, you do. And we've got the easiest script in the universe for installing Hassio on your Proxmox once you get Proxmox up and running, which it's not hard. All right, Hyper-V is a little harder to set up, as way more options for control and backup. Honestly, the easiest setup is VirtualBox. You have 2 Hassio instances running in VirtualBox. Yeah, this is pretty easy too. This is the base. So if you want Windows, then VirtualBox, then Hassio, great. Or this is Proxmox running on the hardware as the primary. What's the pricing of Proxmox? Nothing. Oh my gosh, don't take a picture of that. Yeesh. Nothing. It's free. Does this work seamlessly with DuckDNS setup? It should. Once you get Proxmox and Hassio set up, you should be good with all the add-ons. We'll have to keep messing with it and make sure, but I can't imagine why there'd be a problem. First time, every time. Always works. Many Linux users have found out the hard way that not all laptops support Linux. Oh, maybe. I can't believe that. That's crazy. I wouldn't have thought that. Never tried Proxmox, so it may be better than VirtualBox. It's pretty good. And it's free to use. You can pay for support if you want. All right, how we doing on stickers? Anybody else need to get into stickers? A couple minutes, give you another minute or two, and then we'll fire it off. Gotta love some stickers. What's the download link for Proxmox? We'll find it for you here. It'll make it easy. Proxmox. Downloads. Right there. I was hustling to try and get my next video done for you. And it's done. I just need to post it. And it's the Pycroft. It's how to build your Pycroft. I will, because I gotta brush my teeth and we gotta run. So, I was going to try and post it and have it up like in the next hour, but what I'll just, no rush, right? What's the big rush? So I will, we're going to go do our Ice Castle thing. And then when we come home, I'll post it and it'll be ready to go. Oh, lucky. Sorry. I have to remind you, this one is for Padre Tiempo. If you're on Twitch, the stickers thing doesn't work. You have to at least open YouTube to type in the chat to be able to get your name listed here with the stickers for the sticker contest. So I'll give you Twitch guys a minute to just open YouTube long enough to type hi or stickers in the chat. Excuse me for burping so much. It's Dr. Pepper for breakfast. I don't know. I keep saying one of these days I'll fix that and make it so, you can type in Twitch and it'll work with the giveaways, but I haven't figured it out yet. So can you install Mycroft on Proxmox? Heck yes, you can. Yeah, absolutely. That's a great idea. That's a fantastic idea. Yeah, totally. Totally can. Yep. Should work fine. I'm trying to think of a reason why it wouldn't work. Should work fine. That's a great idea. See, that's the purpose right there, Padre. That's the reason why you want Proxmox. Because what if you want to just try something out? Do you want to have to buy a Raspberry Pi or something else? No. I mean, you could if you got it laying around, fine, maybe. But why not just put it all in one place? Frank solved the mystery for getting the IP address from the Hassio. Oh, Paul, you didn't watch us do that? It's in Whisker's script too. It's in Whisker. No, not that one. His other script. This one. It's right here too. Oh, is that another way? Maybe that's another way. Oh, address show more. Oh, okay. Just a new fan. All right, Night Play. Thanks. From the Netherlands. Awesome. I got to go there someday. All right. Do we got everybody, I think? I think we got everybody. Plus, you can snapshot your install and always revert it if you mess up. Amen. Amen, stinks. Okay, we got 85 people entered in the sticker drawing contest here. I wonder how random this thing really is, because I swear I feel like, I don't know. I feel like we haven't had, except for Rob, we haven't had anybody win more than once. Looking 18 likes. Why, guys? Oh, I see what you're saying. They said, oh, it's all good, man. Everybody likes it. It's obvious. Okay, here we go. Ready? Roll it, roll it, roll it. Phil G, you won. Congratulations on your stickers and your free bottle of sticker remover. Okay, so hit me up in Discord. You got to send me your address in Discord and say, hey, I won some stickers. Here's my address, and I'll get them in the mail to you. And then we're going to do another one because I like to do two every time. All right, then we'll do this. Computer. Tell everyone it's time for sign off.
Announcing.
It's time for sign off. All right, here we go. Second sticker winner coming up right now. William Merrill. Nice dog, too. All right, fellas, you guys are today's sticker winners. Hit me up in Discord. Send me a PM with your address, and we will get some stickers in the mail for you. Let's make a meeting in the Netherlands. You know what? I would love that, man. Weren't we talking about that? We were talking about like the Maker Faire. Oh, we were talking about the CES in Germany. Hey, Princess.
Look up Holly.
I did?
No.
Oh.
You kind of.
Holly's been sick. Oh, Holly's been sick.
She's
Woo!
coming up.
Wait, Whiskers? That's you? Yes! Whiskers won the stickers. Yes! That's awesome. Man, you deserve it. You get an extra special pack of stickers for that. Thanks for your help today, man. You're the star of the day, no doubt. Mark, thank you too. And of course, everybody else, Frank and Paul. All right. Oh, baby, you look sick, honey. Are you okay?
She is sick. Oh, she's touching my back.
Ree! Thanks for subscribing. Okay, Dawson loves wearing his green shirt and hiding himself. That's funny. All right, you guys ready? Don't scream it too much. Dawson's only his eyes are showing. Okay, don't scream it too loud, okay? Okay, here we go. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time, adios. All right, have a good time, guys. I'll post some stickers from the Ice Castle. Have a good day. Take care. See you later. Thanks again, everybody. Bye-bye.